Hello everyone, my name is Alessandro and let's see what happens when you combine these potatoes with this amazing cheese. Today we are in northern Italy and we are going to make the Frico Friulano. This is really similar to an omelette when you see it, but there is no egg inside. So let's see how to do it. All you need is 200 gram Montasio cheese. This is a typical cheese from Friuli and then it's made from cow's milk and then it comes from the mountain. 1 onion, 500 gram potatoes. First thing you do, you take your potatoes and you grate like that. You peel the skin away and you grate the potatoes raw. We do the same with the cheese. So now the potatoes and the cheese are grated. Next step, you take the onion and you cut it. You take away this one and then so a spoon of olive oil and you put the onion inside. And now you put the potato inside. Pepper, salt, yes, like that. So now, after 1 minute, I put all the cheese inside, okay? So all the cheese inside, like that, yes! And the cheese are going to help the potatoes and everything to stay together. So after you have adjusted the cheese inside so it's everywhere together with the potatoes, you put a lid and you wait for about 10 minutes. Don't forget, not high temperature, otherwise you will burn everything. Alla salute! Okay. How is this Frico going? The smell is divine. We have to flip it. So I take my plate. Let me dish. And 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Bluff. I do it like that. I do it like that. Oh, hello baby. And then you put the other side. Also inside. So the time has come. Buon appetito! Look how beautiful. It's golden, crispy and really soft inside.